A year ago, I redid my room. It still looks pretty plain. To start off, I'm just gonna go around my house and try to find Pegboard, Nintendo Switch box. Oh, so fire! There's 18 shoes. They're obviously not my size, so I would never put them on. Among Us box. Next, I found some old Texas fire plaque. Found all of these medals, all of these Funko Pops. My sunshine. Bucks ball. Oh. I'm gonna organize it now. It's stuffing. These puppies right on the bottom shelf. I'm gonna throw this right. Everything looks pretty good, especially you, LeBron. Now let's add something down here. Shoe rack from It Extends. Wow! Perfect size. Missing one thing. Shoes. Wow. Now, let's turn this blank pegboard into the pegboard of our dreams. The pegboard. 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 The pegboard. Let's remove pegboard. The pegboard. Now I'm finding all the junk from around my room and I'm planning how I want it on my pegboard so I can create different custom attachments to help organize it, making everything look super clean. Now that I know where I want everything on my pegboard, I'm going to bring it all into Onshape and individually design each component and 3D print it to make it all nice and organized. Wow! Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. If you liked the video, please smash the like button! For some more videos like this in the future, consider subscribing. Subscribe. See you in the next one.